Good evening. Many of you are wondering what to do with the stock certificates of these companies that haven't had such wonderful exits. Well, I have an idea for you. For instance, I have Unified Dispatch here. Great company, great CEO. They just couldn't convince those taxi cab companies to use their software. So, can we have a countdown?
3, 2, 1.
Stop. We also have an approved by the IRS method of disposing of convertible notes, like this one from Wrightsline. Wrightsline was great at raising money. They just weren't great at executing. Honeydew melon. Can we have a countdown?
3, 2, 1.
And I also have a certificate here from V-Enable.
But V-Enable is still in business.
You know, you're right. But with so many subsequent financing rounds, I've been diluted a little bit. I'll keep a piece of it. And the rest? Can I have a countdown?
3, 2, 1. Bust off.
Next month, we're going to show you what to do with your successful exits. In the meantime, I hope your investments ripen.